Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to reply an email from Claude. It's pretty easy, pretty obvious, and you guys can work with it. So first thing that you need to know that we have installed the connector. So you guys can do it as well. So go to the add connector option, select Gmail and integrate it with your connectors. Now, once you have integrated the connectors, just go to the connectors again over here and then select manage connectors. Click on Gmail and give the access that you want to give and allow it and restrict it according to your own preferences. Now get back to this page. Now once we are on this page, you will see that what I have done so is that I asked it, hey, I have an email from Naseem Shahid. Can you check and let me know? So it says, got it. Here is the summary from the email from the Naseem Shahid. See, I don't even have to open up my Gmail account. Now, draft a reply and help me prepare for it. So it's an interview, and I'm just gonna go ahead and reply to it like I have already done so. I just click on send via Gmail, and it will send from here right away. I don't have to even write it or do anything. So it goes right into the thread, and yeah, it sends it right through the email. Now, it's also telling me about the podium and how I can prepare myself for the interview. So it goes through the whole background of the company that I'm going to go and interview. So it's going to go ahead and ask for the tips. And yes, I said, yeah, give me the tips and let's do it. It's going to be a role play where he will act as a interviewer and play as Naseem and run you through the interview just like the real thing and keep your answers natural. So it started a voice call. I went through the voice call and went through everything, and then I give it two of my CVs like, hey, before we kick off, can you please check this as well? There's an email from this person. Let me know that this is as well. By the way, I'm sharing the CVs from the both roles. I shared with the SDR and E. So it went through the emails, went through everything, and then write and also an email to the Phil, and I sent it over here. All right, I have interview in 10 minutes. Give me an update and let me know. So I went through it. I asked the questions, and so it gave me the basic rules, the things that drive home, likely questions and hints, three smart questions to ask and return to Naseem, and the pre-call checklist, camera on, everything off. 11 minutes to prepare myself for the interview. Please let me know. And this is the interview for the next one, and I gave everything about to it, and now it's working fine. I prepared myself for the interview from here, and I'll send an email through the Claude to the recruiters. So this is how you guys can prepare yourself for the interview, and also, send emails using the Claude as a general purpose. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.